What's going on, everybody? Today I'm at my dude Gary's auto body shop. So yesterday, you guys are already aware that the situation I got hit with the car. Yesterday I made a huge mistake and I had some PDR guy say he could fix it, get the dent out and make it look better for some cheap money, and I said do it, and he ended up just making it worse. So I'm gonna show you guys what he did, and I have no problem with explaining my mistakes, but my boy Gary is gonna hook it up. He's gonna get this shit straight. He's gonna get the whole thing repaired, and then we're just gonna move forward from there. But here's the mistake. Please guys, watch to the end of this video. You're gonna be like astonished at the final product of this car. It looks phenomenal, and this is me like at the end. So I just want to let you guys know, please watch the end of the video. We just finished the car up last night and I let it stay here and let it dry. So wait to the end of the video. You guys will get to see the final product of the car, and as well as I put some information in there about my boy Gary over here at Just for Six Customs. All right, thanks guys. Please enjoy the video. He did no better job than something that I could do on body work. I mean, I could have did this exact same thing. It just sucks that I had to waste $100 on, you know, things happen, is what it is. We'll move forward from it, but we got Gary. He's gonna hook it up and we're gonna get this thing straight and repainted. So. Rear bumper off. This man's getting to work.
Oh, you should have got a photo before we started.
Dude, I did. No, I did. I filmed a little bit. Gonna get her all straight again. Woo! It's an art, man. It's the artwork.
That's the 11.
Yeah, dude, it films crazy. It's real. It's legit.
You guys don't have screen record, right? Screenshot?
We do, yeah.
Oh yeah? You guys do?
No, it's good. That's how it's done.
All right, guys, here we are. We're gonna announce the day today. I got the body all straight. Everything's block sanded, looking real good. Looking perfect. Also cleared up some rust down here. Got that filled. Obviously got rust in it. We'll figure that out later. Whole rear bumper is sanded. Back tomorrow. We're gonna get this shit. Hey, what's going on, everybody? How we doing today? I'm over here at Gary's Auto Body Shop. It's called Just for Six Customs here in Las Vegas, Nevada. That's as if you go on his Instagram, it's gonna be Just for Kicks Customs. But yeah, he killed it, man. He's very meticulous with his work, and he takes a lot of care, and you know, all the little extra things. And I think that matters when you're doing body work, you're doing paint work, anything. I think it matters a lot. So you know, he killed it. He did a phenomenal job. I appreciate all his help. He kind of guided me along the way, helped me out, helped him out, you know, with prepping the car and, you know, getting it look good. I really wanted it to look proper, you know. I didn't want the body to be all wrong and messed up, but you know, he killed the body work, made it look amazing. So I appreciate him for that. And if you're here in Las Vegas area, or you're in the surrounding areas at all, please give this man a follow on Instagram, Just for Customs. And if you need some work done in your car, auto body, anything like that, he can do it, man. Custom work, phenomenal painter. All right, he's very meticulous, and he cares a lot. So if you guys need anything done, please check him out on Instagram at Just for Six Customs. He just moved here about a year and a half ago from Hawaii, where he had a very big shop and a good reputation, and he's working on rebuilding that here. So please, guys, go help him out. Give him a follow. Check all his work out. He kills it. But without further ado, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the final product. Just be aware, the rest of the car is pretty fucking filthy and it looks a mess, but you'll be able to see the final product of the quarter. All right, here it is, guys. Look at that, straight as a dime. Bumpers all repainted, so shiny. Look at it. The metallic, like, this is how bad, like, this is how I need to shine this. I need to get this like polished and all that. But look at that metallic, guys. Can you see that metallic? I know you can. All right, here it is, guys. Final product.